Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Tom Yum Goong, which is a very famous Thailand soup. So, let's do it. Here are the ingredients. Tom Yum Goong. Tom means boil. Yum means salad. And Goong means shrimp. They call it yum because the ingredients that we use for salad is Tom means boil. Yum means, like I said, salad. And Goong means shrimp. So we can also use Tom Yum gai, which is chicken, gai's chicken, or Tom Yum plat, which is fish. That's why in the Philippines we call certain fish, the name is pla, meaning, that's a pla means fish. So let's review the ingredients. We have oyster mushroom, okay, which we're gonna slice into pieces like this. We have a zest of lime, okay, we're gonna use that. If you don't have the lime leaves, which we use to infuse flavor on the soup, we can use also the zest. And the juice lime, we're gonna use this for flavoring to make it a little bit sour. We have chili or any red chili, hot chili will do it. We have shrimp. We got Tom Yum chili paste, oh no, actually this is the this is the paste, the Tom Yum paste, which we're gonna use. And we have also the Thai pickled chili. We're gonna use kalanka. This looks like a ginger, but the taste is different from ginger. This is a Thai root like ginger. We use fish sauce for flavor and sugar. And now we did already a while ago the shrimp stock. We remove the head of the shrimp here, or prawn, and then we boiled it to make a stock right here. So what we're gonna do now is we will put the other ingredients that will infuse its flavor on the stock. Let's start with our lemongrass here. We have 2 lemongrass. Let's cut it like this. Okay. And then let's remove the dry leaf there. And then we smash it like that. Okay. We will include this on the soup, but we don't need to eat this. We just cut it like this, so it will infuse its flavor. Okay, and we'll put it right there. And then the kalanka right here, we sliced it already, and we will put it right there, and that will infuse a very nice flavor with on the soup. So and also, instead of lime leaves, we're using lime zest. So we'll include it here too. And we're gonna boil this, simmer it for a minute, or so before we put our prawn. Now we will put now our chili. It depends on your taste, how many chili you want. But here I'll just put 4, and I'll just smash it a little bit here, okay? And cut it like probably in two pieces, okay? So you won't accidentally eat it. All right. There's another one here. Smash it. All right, and put it right there. And now that's all we got. The remaining ingredients will be for we're gonna put later. So let's boil the shrimp stock. Now let's check our shrimp stock. It's boiling now. So let's simmer for another minute before we put our shrimp and oyster mushroom. Now let's check it out. All right. Now it's time to put our mushroom, the oyster mushroom. You can use any kind of mushroom, but don't use the button mushroom. Okay. And that's it. We're gonna put our shrimp now, or prawn. Okay. Remember, don't overcook the shrimp. Okay. This will take only a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna put the other seasoning. Okay. Wow, I can smell now the flavor that our lemongrass infused and the kalanka. There you go. Just give it another minute. Now let's check our shrimp. Smells good. The shrimp is cooked already, and the mushroom. Now we don't need to overcook this, so we have to turn off the heat, and we're gonna put the other ingredients. Now we put the fish sauce, like 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. All right, and we're gonna put our tom yum paste, just 1.5 teaspoon, and the pickled chili, 1 teaspoon. So it depends on your taste. You can add some more later. And then for our sour ingredients or agent, we're gonna put our lime juice. Okay. All right. And then just half spoon of sugar. Okay. And we're gonna stir it so all the seasoning will be mixed together, and then we're gonna taste this. Now the tom yum goong is cooked. We're gonna transfer it into our serving dish. Here's the finished product, tom yum goong. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.